With the Babytone Video Monitor, you can follow your baby with live video and sound from anywhere in your home, so you can always know what's going on with your baby. When you receive your new Babytone Video Monitor, just open the box and plug it in to get started. Babytone recommends placing the camera and monitor in adjacent rooms as much as possible. In daily use, the material of the wall and the transmission distance may affect signal transmission. If the connection between devices is lost during use, Babytone recommends that you use the following methods to restore the connection between devices. Normally, when the monitor and camera are brought close to each other, the connection between them will be automatically restored. But if it still does not recover, you can try shutting down the monitor and restarting it. After the monitor is turned on, it will automatically search for the paired camera. If you still experience connection issues, you can restore the connection by rebinding. First, unbind the camera in Menu Settings Camera. Then press and hold the reset button on the bottom of the camera, or replug the power source to restart. Keep the two devices at a relatively close distance. When the camera restarts, the monitor will automatically search for nearby available devices and establish a connection.